Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And then today I'm gonna recreate Shailene Wood makeup look from Secret Life Lover. So now let's start. First, apply your skincare. I'm done with the skincare, and then second I'm gonna do my eyebrow. So this is the soft styling eyebrow, and then I'm gonna use the brush, this brush, and then apply it like this. Next, we move to the eyebrow with the eyebrow pencil and then spool it with the spoolie. This to make your eyebrow look natural. Now we're moving to the foundation. I'm using MAC, and then put it some amount in your palm and then tap it with the beauty blender. Now apply the concealer into the eye bag, nose, and then some part of the face. Apply contour to add dimension for your face. I'm using this technique to contour my nose, so I'm using my pointing finger and then draw the line, and then using the line in my pointing finger as the stamp for my nose. Using your finger, start tapping and then blending all the contours. Apply again the concealer and then use your finger to blend it. Start applying the cream blush in your apple cheek and then tap it with your finger. Let's set it up with the loose powder. Now I'm gonna use this loose powder and then apply it all over the face. Double setting with pressed powder. Use your what's the name of it? Powder puff. And then tap it all over the face. Move to the powder blush, use 2 colors of it, and then start applying onto the apple cheek. Once we finish with the blush on, and then we'll moving to the highlighter. I'm gonna use this one. Apply the highlighter at the highest point of your cheek. And then don't forget your bridge nose and the other parts, like forehead and then cupid bow. Now we're moving to the eyes. So I saw in the picture that she don't use any kind of eyeshadow, so I will just use a bit of eyeliner and then mascara. This time I will use pencil eyeliner and then use my brush. I will do like this and then start applying it from the outer corner and then bring it to the middle of the corner. Now we're gonna move to the mascara, so we'll bring the hair down first and then we'll bring the hair up now. Don't forget to give mascara in your lower lashes. And the very last part is lipstick. Apply the lipstick or lip cream with the right brush. For the top lips, you can draw a line first and then continue filling it with the lipstick. And that's all. That's the end of the video for today. I hope you are enjoying watching this video. And then yeah, do I look like Shailene Wood now? Okay, that's okay. If it's not, then I'm happy creating this one because I'm a fan of her. I really love her. Don't forget to watch her movie as it will be launched in this July. And yeah, we will create another more of her makeup look once the movie is launching. And I hope you are waiting for my next video and then watch my next video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.